So now that we've got the box done and the 2 resumes inside, let's go ahead and create the claw. It's just a very simple design made from rectangles. Let's center it, bring it up. Now, what's good about Corel, if you go into View and you go into Snap To, you could snap to Objects, Guidelines, Baseline Grid, Document Grid, and it helps when centering objects. So I could select the midpoint from this and drag it over to the midpoint of the claw box. And that helps instead of centering everything all the time. Or using a guide is nice too. Using your guides. So you can just line everything up. Bam. Now for the center of the claw, I'm going to create 2 triangles, duplicate them, and finish that way. So let's start to our polygon tool. Now we want points or sides, we want 3 because I'm making a triangle. And let's not give it an outline. Let's go there, make it black. Duplicate it, Control C or Control V, or just Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to zoom in and line these up. Okay. Group them together. Center them there. Maybe expand them a little bit. Alright. Now I want to create the claw hands, the actual claw itself. So I'm going to use this by creating a line tool. Giving that more of an outline and giving it the circular line cap again. Going here. Oh. Let's duplicate that. Now I want to reverse this. So I'm going to hold down Shift, grab one of the sides, and just flip it like that. Actually, I'm going to center them both. Select them both and drag them up so I can keep them on the same line. I'm going to group them for now just in case I select. Okay. I'm going to now create a box for the center of the claw just by using the line tool. Nice and easy. To connect the line tool, you can click on the edges and the little arrow would come up to show that it's connecting. And I'm just going to connect it to the edges of the 2 triangles that I connected in the beginning. And then it doesn't really matter up here because I'm going to be blending it in anyway. So let's make that perfect. Now, these are 2 separate objects. What I want to do is combine these. So I'm going to select them both and go up here and weld them. So it's going to turn them into one big single object. Let's ungroup these guys. Bring them up. Slide them over. Ooh. I'm gonna center them like that. And I think they could be a little bit bigger. So let's change the width on these. Right, may have been a little bit too much. Let's go something in between, like 12. Okay, maybe 13. And let's create that center claw. Okay. Now, I'm going to fix just a little bit to give it more of like a clawing feel. Maybe make it a little bit larger. Bring it down. Let's bring it down a little bit more. Okay. Just mess with it until you get that the look you like. It's really about you. It's your personal preference. I think that looks about right. And what makes it even better is that once you've completed and you finally have that product you like, you're motivated. You're motivated to build it and to keep growing. I'm going to try to center this the best I can. Actually, I'm going to group these. Press P, do a little trick, and slide it back up. Okay, perfect. Give it a nudge. Okay. I also remember that these are lines, so we want to go ahead and convert them to curves. Ungroup them. Nope. There we go. Ungroup all. I guess they're all grouped together. Convert that one to object. Outline to object. And outline to object.